Start by setting your Bruno's temperature to low to medium and then grease the pan with oil. After that, you can start putting your grilled unagi on the pan one by one. We are going to make a rectangular shape here. And you just put it one by one and close the cover when you are done. Alright, so after 2 minutes, you can remove the cover safely. Be careful, it's hot. And you can start putting in the rice in the middle. You can put as much rice as you want, but this is a portion for 4. And start putting on the sweet corn, or you can add any toppings that you like. Put spring onion, and then followed by black pepper and the yakitori sauce. That's it actually. You can cover it back and it will be done in a few minutes.